What's up guys, I'm here in the M4 taking it for a last spin before it goes back to stock. Took the wrap off and then tomorrow they're taking off all the mods, putting it back to stock, officially selling the M4 and the GTR is for sale too. I don't want to have two cars, so I'm gonna get into just one car after. The GTR is a little too expensive to mod, so that's out of the question. But we'll see once these cars are sold. It's gonna be more clear view to see what's next after that. So I'll show you guys a little bit of the process of the adhesive getting removed, and then I'll keep you guys updated if one of the cars sell. Fast, but once you start racing people in Mexico, you feel slow. Here it is, boys. The part out has happened. Parts everywhere. I sold all the mods already. The downpipes and cradles are left down there. Gotta take them out, ship them away. But here's one last look. Pretty much got a buyer as well for the stock car. On to the next adventures. This one was fun. It was super fast, but we wanna switch it up a little bit. And then here's this thing. About to go to a photo shoot, get some nice pictures taken of that thing, rollers, stills. So follow my Instagram if you want to see that. RIP. Was a good run. One day I'll have another Kratos build, but I'd like to wait a tiny bit. What do you guys think will be better? Good replacement for this thing? Maybe a M4 CS, M4 Comp. Last one. Gotta make some new stickers. Got the same ones on my GTR. I just gotta clean that stuff off. So I'll see you guys.